Now to the medical workers in hospitals filling with patients trying to stretch their resources, some now taking to the streets, pleading for help. ABC's Trevor Ault is outside the new temporary hospital at the Javits Convention Center here in New York. Trevor, good morning to you.
Well, Whit, good morning. One survey says 90% of mayors nationwide say they don't have enough masks or tests, and those shortages are putting the strain directly on America's healthcare workers, who are already being pushed to the limit as they try to tackle this pandemic head on. This morning, as the count of coronavirus cases climbs higher, nurses leading multiple protests outside hospitals demanding access to more personal protective equipment. In New York, the father of a nurse desperate for his daughter's safety.
Have you asked your daughter not to keep going to work?
I have.
And what does she say?
She says she has to. She loves her job.
But for some, amid growing shortages of masks, gloves, and more, the risk has become too much. One nurse we spoke with, named Ashley, saying she didn't feel properly protected by her hospital and, despite loving the work, decided to quit.
The current hospital that I was working at kept taking PPE away from us and changing the guidelines, and it was scaring us. I felt that it was unsafe work conditions, so that's why I left.
Other nurses say guidelines from the CDC have allowed hospitals to scale back procedures for safety equipment that would have been required before the crisis. Meredith Johnson, a critical care nurse in South Carolina, says she feels unprotected.
We shouldn't be scared. This is our job. I did sign up for this, but I didn't sign up to do it without the right equipment. I didn't ever expect to be in a position where I would be sent to work and literally risking my life.
The risk of those on the front lines contracting the virus themselves has grown so great, many, like Arkansas Dr. Jared Burks, have moved out of their homes to protect their families. Dr. Burks captured in this now viral photo, getting as close as he can to his one-year-old son.
It feels kind of crazy to be married to a doctor right now. There's a lot of uncertainty. And so while I'm proud of him and very, very thankful that he does what he does, there is this kind of fear of just what may come.
And this morning, we do have a pretty devastating update from that family in that viral photo. As if they weren't going through enough, the wife, Alyssa Burks, says yesterday they were in the path of an Arkansas tornado. And while the family is okay, they're safe, their house was destroyed. Dan?
I'm really glad they're okay, but that is terrible news. Trevor, thank you very much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.